List can be accessed by an index. You can just type a name of the list and the index of an element within the square brackets to access a particular element. In the given example, a list variable named country has been created and has been populated with some values. You can access the first element by typing the digit 0 within square bracket next to the name country as shown on the screen. Similarly, you can access the fourth element by typing the digit 3 within square brackets next to the name country. In Python, index starts counting from 0. If you want to access a sublist, you can maintain the start index and end index within square brackets. For example, to access the second to fourth elements, you can use the term country with digit 1 colon 3 within the square brackets as shown on the screen. Similarly, to access all the elements to the second index, you can write the term country with colon and digit 2 within square brackets as shown on the screen. A similar command is written here to help you access elements starting from the third index to the last.